Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. My name is the Trader Imperial, and if you haven't been here before, you want to make sure you subscribe because I drop free value bombs on my winning strategy for free. Now I'm just gonna break down my two trades on gold that yielded me about 400 pips in total from Friday to Monday. That's 2 days that I was able to catch these two trades. Let me hop on my computer and let me show you how I caught these trades. Okay, so let me just break down this trade recap on gold and actually a little bit of a top-down analysis that I've done on gold throughout the time. I've been trading gold for years now, right? And recently I've noticed that gold was in a bullish pennant, which is a consolidation pattern. And what you can do is just draw two trend lines that create a pattern or a wedge-like, right? And these are it's a probability setup, right? And the probability for this is like a 60-70% win rate if you have found a right bullish pennant, right? Because sometimes your eyes might play tricks on you. You're like, oh, is this triangle or not, right? But again, to notice if it is a bullish pennant or if price is following your trend line, you need at least minimum 3 touches, right? So as you can see here, we have more than 3 touches on this bullish pennant, and as you can see here, it broke out. Now I did miss out on this trade as a whole. It was a swing trade. It was probably about 1,000 pip move, probably more. And I don't normally trade this, but it is in my playbook that you can get for free. It's in the description, or if you go to my social medias, links, right? But I did take about 3 trades out of this whole move here, right? As you can see, I took 2 trades here from Friday and Monday, and then I took a buy trade here too when it was breaking out. I was just waiting for the pullback, right? So yes, let me just get back into the Friday trade and show you guys my strategy called shark fin soup. So yes, let's get into the first trade on Friday. I took this trade utilizing my strategy called shark fin soup, and I'm just gonna break down what that strategy is in a nutshell, right? So I'm utilizing the Heikin-Ashi candles, I'm utilizing the TDI, and I am taking shark fins is what I'm looking for on a TDI in an uptrend or a downtrend. And that is my strategy in a nutshell. Just simple terms, right? But what it really is, it's a step-by-step process, right? I've written it down, I gave it to you guys for free. You can actually pick it up for free. It's included in my full trading playbook, which has multiple strategies, right? I just normally just take the A+ ones, right? So shark fin soup, step 1, you want to determine the trend. Draw the trend line on a 30-minute chart is what I normally just kind of do mentally. You can see if it's an uptrend or downtrend. And how you do that is you're looking for higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows, right? That's simple how to find if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. But again, it's not simple because a lot of people like to trade or find themselves in trades against the trend, right? But the trend is your friend, right? So that's step 1. I know that gold is in an uptrend because it's breaking out of the bullish pennant. I know that it is creating a higher high and a higher low. So that's simple, uptrend. That's step 1. Step 2, I'm waiting for a 30-minute shark. This is a 30-minute shark, right? This is a textbook 30-minute shark. It's not as low as the level I'd love to see, but it's close enough, especially where the Heikin-Ashis are reaching on the scale, right? So that's the second step. Now what I'm looking for my entry now after that is the change in the Heikin-Ashi candles. As you can see here, we can get a trend change. I love the Heikin-Ashi because it kind of takes out all the noise. When you see a red big candle, you get all scared, and then it just shakes you out of your trade or something. It helps with the psychology as well too, right? I don't sit there on the 1-minute chart anymore. I used to be like that because of ICT and shit like that, right? But I have found my strategy to work way better if I'm just managing my trades on the 15, 30, and the hour chart. Obviously, I do top-down analysis. I'm aware of, if it's a 4-hour shark that I'm trading against, then that's just a given if you are a trader that likes to do top-down analysis, right? Right. So yes, that was my entry on this trade. I do a 1 to 2 RR, 100 pip risk for 200 pip gain, right? And that's just textbook. You need to have proper risk management if you want to be a profitable trader, right? You need to mitigate your risk. Risk management is king, and it's not talked about enough in the trading industry. I didn't become profitable until I started using a stop loss, and that's just facts, right? The data doesn't lie, and it's us traders to look at the data. We have to be looking at our own data, and it should be simple enough to see, hey, I'm losing these trades because I'm not managing these trades properly, right? Now, it wasn't just a stop loss that helped me. Obviously, it was just strategy. But again, the stop loss is everything. For traders who are starting to get in, I get asked, and they aren't using stop losses. And I get it because I was there before, right? So that was trade 1 from Friday. Let me break down trade 2, which was this right here. Okay, so this is trade 2. I took this trade on Monday. This was a way quicker trade than Friday's trade. Again, same setup. I'm looking for a shark fin soup setup, and that is this right here. Waiting for the TDI to make a shark fin, and then I'm waiting for the change in the Heikin-Ashi candle pattern, right? So that's what I got here. Obviously, gold is in an uptrend, so I'm looking for a buy, and I'm looking for a buy signal. My buy signal is the TDI, my shark fin, and then my entry is the Heikin-Ashi right there, right? And then I take the same risk reward setup, 1 to 2 RR, 100 pips for 200 pips, and obviously it's subjective to anybody about how much they would make on this trade. So this is why I don't talk about the monetary value, right? Because what should really matter in trading is the pips that you're catching versus the pips that you're losing, right? You need to focus more on the actual trade setups, and if you're following your plan versus on the monetary value, because this is a marathon and not a sprint, right? When it comes to trading. So yeah, this was the 2 trades that I took over the last couple days. Monday was a holiday, but hey, still made money. I still traded because I'm able to trade from my phone. I was up north, and I was just enjoying nature, and I still was able to utilize my shark fin soup strategy just from my phone because it's that simple. That's all you need sometimes when it comes to trading. You don't want to overcomplicate things. I have my laptop, obviously, but I'm executing on my phone. I don't need my whole setup all the time, but it's nice to have, right? And I do switch it up, and I go upstairs and I trade on my fridge if you haven't seen those videos, right? So yeah, I do get asked what the best prop firm is in the industry, and I'm going to tell you guys, hands down, it is Funder Pro. No one is funding you with real capital. Funder Pro is, though. They are paying you daily. Why? Because they're funding you real capital. Treat it like as if it was your own live account. You made a trade right now, you can go withdraw that money and it'll be in your account, your bank account, within an hour or 2, right? Then you can take another trade, withdraw that money, and it'll be in your account the same day. So you can get like up to 5 withdrawals in a day. Which other prop firms are doing that? No other prop firms. Why? Because you're not really funded with real capital. Sorry to break it down. It's simulated. I fell for it, when freaking True Forex funds went down. That really just lifted the veil from everybody, and they realized, hey, these firms are actually debooking a lot of their traders, but there are firms who are A-booking their traders, and that is a Funder Pro. So you guys want to make sure that you're trading with the best in the prop firm game, because you want to mitigate your risk. You mitigate your risk by trading with the best, right? Now, you can save 10% using my code Imperio, IMPERIO. You can check out in the description, and yeah, check you guys next time. Happy trading.